Flutter developers are building some insane futuristic applications in 2026, and today we're creating this Cyberpunk weather app completely inside Flutter. This UI includes neon glow effects, hologram-style animations, glassmorphism, floating particles, smooth transitions, and futuristic weather cards. The best part is that this entire app is created using only Flutter widgets and animations. So if you want your Flutter projects to look modern, premium, and viral worthy, then watch this full tutorial till the end. Before starting the coding process, let's quickly preview the final application. As you can see, the interface looks extremely modern with glowing neon borders, futuristic gradients, animated weather icons, and floating particles in the background. The Cyberpunk color palette makes the app feel like something from the year 2030. We'll build every section step by step, including the Glassmorphism card, weather information panel, and all smooth Flutter animations. To start this project, first create a new Flutter application using the Flutter CLI. After creating the project, open it inside VS Code and remove all the default Flutter boilerplate code from the main .dart file. We're going to build this UI from scratch so the project stays clean and organized. After that, we'll create a dark futuristic theme because Cyberpunk designs usually use dark backgrounds combined with neon colors for a premium visual effect. Now let's design the futuristic background for the application. We're using a multicolor gradient with dark blue, black, and purple tones to create a cyberpunk atmosphere. Gradient backgrounds make modern mobile applications look more premium and visually attractive. To enhance the overall feel, we'll also add glowing radial effects and animated floating particles in the background. These small details improve user experience and make the UI look more alive. The main weather card uses the glassmorphism design trend, which is extremely popular in modern UI design. We create this effect using transparent containers, blur filters, glowing borders, and soft shadows. The combination of opacity and blur creates a frosted glass appearance that looks futuristic and clean. We'll also add rounded corners and neon border highlights so the card matches the Cyberpunk theme of the application. Next, we'll add the weather icon, temperature text, and weather status information. To make the weather icon more dynamic, we use Flutter animations like TweenAnimationBuilder and scaling effects. The glowing weather icon combined with animated lightning effects makes the interface feel futuristic and interactive. Typography also plays an important role in UI design, so we're using bold modern text styles with neon gradient highlights. To make this weather app feel smooth and premium, we'll add multiple Flutter animations using AnimationController and AnimationBuilder. These animations control floating motion, glowing effects, and subtle movement across the interface. Smooth animations improve user engagement and make applications look much more professional. Even simple floating movement can completely change how modern a UI feels. Now we'll complete the final UI by adding weather information sections, glowing buttons, and additional futuristic styling. Small UI details like neon shadows, glowing buttons, and animated particles are what make modern applications stand out from normal designs. These finishing touches give the app a premium look that can easily go viral on social media platforms like YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels. And that's how you can build a futuristic cyberpunk weather application using Flutter. This project combines modern UI trends, glassmorphism, neon effects, and smooth animations to create a premium-looking mobile application. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want more futuristic Flutter projects, make sure to subscribe to FuzzuTech, like this video, and comment what app you want me to build next.